Hi everyone, so today we are going to make a photo dream catcher, or you can say a photo hanging also. I am not very much prepared about the tutorial, so it's going to be very random, and we are going to go like on a very mix and match pace, as I have very limited material, and whatever material I could I can arrange. That's what I am making. So for this you just need a piece of cardboard, a circular piece of cardboard. You can have to cut this piece of cardboard or any like carton box or anything in a circular box and circular shape. I have taken it 3 centimeter 3 by 3 inches, sorry, 3 by 3 inches left and right in a proper circle, and I have made 2 holes both the end. So basically I had this in wooden MDF. So if you don't have, obviously at home we don't have much MDF, this was some spare piece which I found. You can make it with the cardboard as well. Okay, so let's start. So I am using acrylic color to cover the edges because I am going to paste a photograph. So in case a photo is not even cut or थोड़ी बड़ी छोटी हो जाती है, so I am just doing a boundary kind of a thing with this acrylic color. If you want, you can just do it with a sketch pen or a marker or anything. So I had already one more of it, so I have done it in golden color. You can do it any color. I prefer black or golden, which are very basic and goes with all the photographs and everything. So the next step is you can take any thread and cut 2 small pieces out of it, one piece to hang it. So you can take any sort of measurement. I am doing it very randomly, and another one for decorating at the bottom. So I'm doing it a little smaller than the previous one. So you have to do it like this, double. After doing this, just so this is how you make a knot. You can do it any knot. It's not compulsory to do it in a knot like this. So one side is done, where I'll hang my feathers, or if you have something in decorating, you can use any feathers, any natural bird feathers also. So I'll use colorful feathers. If you don't have colorful feathers, you can use any feathers or any sort of hanging material you have available at home. You can even cut some paper or feathers or any shapes using paper also, like hearts or something. So I have like this. When you stretch, it's not. So from this thread I'll just hang it. So ta-da, it's done. Now you can see I have tied to both the ends on this as well. So one side I have made a knot, so that ये वाला चीज़ हम लोग hanging के लिए use करेंगे, so that we don't get confused. And the smaller side we'll use for decorating with feathers. So I have kept these ends open for both of them. So let's start decorating them. I am sure you must have. I have found them from an old mala which was broken. So you can also find out somewhere, and even if you don't have it, then it's fine. You can just tie it with the decorating material, whatever is available. I'm sure the crafters must be having it. So I am putting 2 beads in each thread, I mean each end, and locking them with the help of glue gun. Again, if you are using something else to decorate, then glue gun is not required. I am using feathers to decorate it, that's why I need a glue gun, because feathers can only stick with the glue gun. So that means 2 ends and 4 beads. That means we need 4 feathers. You can use any feathers which are available, even like pigeon feathers which are already broken, or if you find it on streets. I mean, not going out for sure, but on your terrace or somewhere. Even if it's not available, there also is completely fine. You can decorate it with anything, with any sort of material which is available. So I am using different color feathers, one at the end, right? If you have seen both the ends, and now here on the top, I'm just trying to fix it with glue gun. Now, as you can see, our base is completely ready. This one as well. Now, next step is I have taken out these printouts. You can, if you don't have the printer at home, if I had the printer, that's why I've done this. If you don't have the printer at home, you can just use any of the photographs previously, or like maybe old photographs or something. So you can just cut them according to the size of these circles. So I've already done it according, I've already printed it according to sizes. So we'll just quickly cut them. It's okay if your cutting is not very sharp, not very edgy. It's okay, because we have left a boundary all over, so it's okay. The black line merges with the outline of the boundary, outline of the cutting, and it does not get so affected. Now you can see I have cut these 4 photographs which I am going to paste on both the sides of the photo hanging. So let's quickly paste it. You can use Fevicol or Feviglue, anything to paste it, because this is paper and what you're using is cardboard. That's fine. Now as you can see, your both the wall hangings are ready. Wall, even car hanging or whenever you want to do it, just press it softly with your hands so that your fingerprints does not go on the photos. And if you see, my cuttings are not proper and uneven, but this black boundary has done everything for me, so that doesn't look like that it's uneven. This one as well.